This 2021 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 8245 RLS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Jackson, Mississippi, 49202 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Jackson. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Jayco is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 40 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.